How to create an account in Telegram without a phone number. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an account in Telegram without a phone number. To start, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. As you can see, you need to sign up before proceeding further. Now head toward the browser and search for Telegram free number. Here you'll find different websites that offer to receive free SMS from Telegram online. Click to open the link receive-sms-free.cc. On scrolling down, you'll find the number of different countries. From here, you'll find more numbers along with Telegram code. Select any number and tap on the 4 dots right below it. You'll find more numbers of different countries. Select any of these numbers to receive a verification code for Telegram. You can simply sign up to the Telegram by using these numbers. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.